Hello, history enthusiasts. October 26th is a day of humanitarian progress, diplomatic pledges, and achievements in public health. Let's take a closer look. We start in 1774 with the First Continental Congress. On this day, colonial leaders wrapped up their meeting in Philadelphia, having united in opposition to British rule. Their actions paved the way for the American Revolution, shaping a young nation's quest for independence. Then, in 1863, we celebrate a humanitarian milestone with the founding of the International Red Cross in Geneva. Created to provide aid during wartime, the organisation has since become a global beacon of compassion, offering relief in times of disaster and conflict. On October 26, 1955, Austria took a unique step by declaring permanent neutrality. Emerging from post-war occupation, Austria chose peace over alliance, setting a precedent in diplomacy and neutrality that remains part of its foreign policy. Fast forward to 1977, when the world achieved a public health triumph. The last natural case of smallpox was reported in Somalia, signalling the end of a disease that had plagued humanity for centuries. This success story showcases the power of global collaboration in eradicating disease. Lastly, in 2001, the USA PATRIOT Act was signed, expanding law enforcement powers in response to new security concerns. Although primarily affecting the United States, this act led to worldwide discussions about privacy and national security in the modern age. From global milestones in diplomacy, health, and humanitarian action, October 26th reminds us of the importance of cooperation and progress. Be sure to subscribe for tomorrow's look back in time. Reporting for Sketchy News. Be polite, be happy, be kind. Thanks for watching.